Hello, my name is Julia and today I will be talking about the blueberry gall midge, Rycyna oxycocana. The blueberry gall midge is distributed in the northern and southeastern United States. The larvae damage the bud tissue and this will lead to bud abortion. If you don't have a flower bud, you're not going to get a flower, you're not going to get a fruit. Luckily, these have low dispersion rates and their populations are slow to increase, so we can monitor these populations so they don't get out of control. In the event that they do, they can cause up to 80% yield loss. So these insects are very small. Unfortunately, you probably won't be able to find them on your plants as the adults are 2 to 3 millimeters long and the larvae are even smaller. We can, however, look at the flowering buds. We know that the adults lay their eggs on these flower buds, and these flower buds don't end up looking quite normal. As you can see in the photo on the right, they're this blackish purplish color. Now, unfortunately, this type of damage can also be confused with freeze damage. However, since this insect can have many generations between January and June, depending on your climate, this probably isn't freeze damage if you're in the middle of summer. So what can we do? Well, there are cultivars out there of the southern high bush blueberry that are resistant to this bud damage. They're called powder blue and brightwell. The other thing that will be important is to monitor for those black shoot tips. We can also use bucket emergent traps, or just so that we can know when these bugs are coming out, and then we'll be more prepared when they do. There are some biocontrol methods that have been studied out there with predatory flies and parasitic wasps, but overall, our best option is just to monitor. Chemicals like insecticides, they don't really work. They're not seen as effective because the adult lives for such a short amount of time and the larvae are just so small and hard to kill. And because you can have many generations within one season, if you don't get everything, there's another generation that might be coming around and infecting your plant. So in terms of a threshold, if you have more than 4 tips on your plant showing this distortion of the buds, maybe you should just get rid of the whole plant. But if it's not too serious and you have plenty of other buds that are fine, I would pinch off those buds and see what happens. Thank you for listening to this short video. Here I have the references I used to make the slideshow. This video is one of many that the Doctor of Plant Medicine students are providing for the public. I highly encourage you to go look at the other videos as they may cover more topics than just insects as I have shown here. Thank you. Bye.